For in Tuesday second video, I am going to continue same exercise number 5.5 question number 9. For in second video, exercise number 5.5 question number 9. On lighting a racket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path. On lighting the rocket cracker, it's projected. The projection of the lighting after you keep the lighting for the rocket cracker. So that cracker is moving in what path? Projected in the what path? Parabolic path. This sum also having based on the parabola sum. On lighting a rocket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path and reaches the maximum height. The question is given, it reaches the maximum height is 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. Where it projected, we keep the lighting the for the crack. Lighting means what? For we are going to start the lighting the cracker. The maximum height, it goes to the maximum height 4 meter. We are where from 4 meter? 6 meter away from the point of projection, where the racket keeper keep on the lightning from that place to the 6 meter distance. The maximum height is goes what? 4 meter for the point of projection. Finally, it reaches the ground. Afterwards, it goes to 4 meter in the distance. After it reaches the ground, 12 meter away from the starting point. From the starting point, From the starting point, the cracker reaches the ground. To the ground is what? 12 meter away from the starting point. So starting point to the cracker reaches the ground is what? 12 meter. In 6 meter away from the point of projection, the maximum height reaches 4 meter. Where from 4 meter? After the cracker moves the 6 meter point of projection, the maximum height, the cracker goes to the top what? 6 meter, 4 meter away from the 4 meter away when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. Finally, it reaches the ground. It goes to 4 meter top or reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. Well, now we are going to find the angle of projection. We are not finding the distance or height or length. We are going to find how much angle it move away from the racket cracker. Say one more time. What is this one? On lighting a rocket cracker, it gets projected in a parabolic path. After lighting for the racket cracker, that is the cracker goes to the projected in the parabolic path and reaches how much distance it goes to the top. Go to the top. It reaches the maximum height 4 meter. It reaches the maximum 4 meter when it is 6 meter away from the point of projection. From 6 meter away from the point of projection, it reaches the maximum height is what? 4 meter. Finally, when it reaches the ground, it reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. It reaches the ground 12 meter away from the starting point. From the starting point, it reaches the ground is what? 12 meter. Find the angle of projection. We are going to find the angle of projection. Here also I draw the diagram after easily understand the sum for you. I draw the normal diagram as actual passing through x-axis from the vertex. Normally passing through x-axis y-axis, how to draw the diagram. First, this is what? See the diagram, comparing both the diagram. For understanding purpose, I draw this diagram. But if you understand, you take the class on both the diagram. For exam point of view, draw this diagram using the x-axis y-axis only. Draw the diagram enough for you. This is what? This is the point. This is the starting point for the cracker. This is the launching of rocket cracker, projection of launching cracker. This is the rocket. This is the rocket cracker. This is nothing but what? Rocket cracker. Starting from this point, from that ground, we keep the lighting. After keeping the lighting, the rocket is projected and reach the maximum height. Maximum height is what? 4 meter. To reach the maximum height 4 meter. Afterwards, what is it? Come down to the ground, again ground level. This is also ground only. We keep the lighting of the rocket cracker. The rocket cracker projected up to 4 4 meter for the maximum height. Afterwards, the rocket is what? Reach the ground. Ground. So from that rocket cracker starting point to ending point. Starting point to ending point is nothing but what? 12 meter. Starting point to ending point is nothing but what? 12 meter. In 6 meter distance, the maximum height is what? From the ground to 6 meter distance, the rocket height is what? Maximum height is what? 4 meter. Now what we are going to find? It reaches the 12 meter distance between the rocket cracker and the starting point to ending point. If the distance is 12 meter, means what is the angle of projection? What is the projection angle? Angle of projection. We are going to find the angle of projection. This is the normal diagram only. See that one going through x-axis, y-axis. See the same diagram we draw in the x-axis. This is what rocket cracker is what come down. This is the diagram is nothing but what? The parabolic path is what? Open downward. The parabolic path is nothing but what? Open down. Comparing. If you want to means comparing these two diagrams, easily understand. For understanding purpose only, I draw both the diagram. This is enough for you. This is the starting point. This is the rocket cracker. Start from the projector from the starting point is what? A. It goes to what? Maximum height is what? 4. That is the keep it as vertex. Again come down to B. It reaches the ground. Starting point to ending point of the rocket cracker. Starting from here A and move projected up to maximum distances are 4 meter. Again come down. The distance between the starting point to the ending point is nothing but what? 12 meter. So in 6 meter distance, it goes to the maximum height is 4 meter. After 6 meter distance, from A to 6 meter distance, starting point to 6 meter distance, the rocket will reach the height is what? 4 meter. So the diagram, this is what axis? X-axis. This is nothing but what? Y-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Vertex is what? 0, 0. At the point A. A point is what? Minus 6, minus 4. This is what quadrant? Third quadrant. The same process only. This is the third quadrant. What is it? This is the fourth quadrant. Third quadrant, x also positive, x also negative, y also negative. So the x value is what? 6, y value is what? 4. So both are what? Minus 6, minus 4. X is negative, y also negative. So A point is what? Minus 6, minus 4. See the B point, the same. B point reaches the ground after 4 meter distance. What is the B point? Here this is 12 meter distance. The vertex divided into 2 equal parts. This is the 6 meter. This is also 6 meter. Height is the maximum height is what? 4 meter for common for the both sides. So 4 meter maximum height. Reach the maximum height. Therefore this B point is what? X-axis positive. Because positive and negative, fourth quadrant plus and minus. Therefore x-axis positive 6 meter, y-axis negative minus 4. So A point is what? Minus 6, minus 4. B point is 6, minus 4. Now we are going to find the angle of projection. See the diagram, x-axis, y-axis, vertex. This is the A point, starting point. This is the ending point. The starting point to ending point distance is what? 12 meter. This split into, this is the vertex divided into 2 equal parts. 6 meter, 6 meter. A point is minus 6, minus 4 because it lies in the third quadrant. B point is what? 6, minus 4 because it lies in the what quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Now we are going to find either length or distance. Just we find the what? Angle of projection. See that one, let the vertex V is what? 0, 0. Vertex of the parabola is what? 0, 0. Parabola is what? Open downward. See that parabola, open downward. It goes to top up to 4 meter and reaches the ground. Therefore, the parabola is what? Open downward. Equation of the parabola is what? What is the equation of parabola? X square equal to minus 4y. Because this is open to up. Suppose the equation of parabola is open upward means x square equal to plus 4ay. Keep it in mind. So this is what? Rightward means y square. Rightward means y square equal to plus 4ax. Leftward means what? Y square equal to minus 4a. Just you recall, do the recall and do the sum. So all the sums are both based on the downward. Most of them based on the downward. Downward means x square equal to minus 4ay. Therefore, what is the point? B point? It reaches the ground is 6, minus 4. It reaches the ground. This is the ground. It reaches the starting point and it reaches the ground is 6, minus 4. Therefore, the point B 6, minus 4 lies on the parabola. Substitute in equation 1. What is the equation? Equation 1 gives instead of x you substitute what? 6. Instead of y what you are substituting? Minus 4. So 6 whole square minus 4a into minus 4. 6 square is what? 36. 4 fours are what? 16a. The what is our a? A equal to 36 by 16. A equal to 36 by 16. That is a equal to 9 fours are 36, 4 fours are 16. A equal to 9 by 4. Again, what we are going to do, substitute. After finding the a value, you substitute the substitute the a value in the again the equation 1. What is the equation 1? X square equal to minus 4a. Substitute the a value in the first equation. Therefore, first equation gives, what is the first equation? X square equal to minus 4ay. X square equal to minus 4 into, what is our a value? A is nothing but what? 9 by 4. A is 9 by 4. Now x square equal to 4 cancelled, we get what? X square equal to minus 9y. So first we substitute the point B, reaching the ground is what? 6 comma minus 4. That point is substituted in the equation 1. X square equal to minus 4y. Because the parabola is what? Open downward. Substitute. You find the value for A. After finding the value for A, substitute the A value again in the first equation. First equation gives what? Minus 4a into y. X square equal to minus 4ay. Instead of a, what you are substituting? 9 by 4. So cancel the values. We get x square equal to minus 9y. Now we are going to find the angle of projection, not the x value or y value. We are going to find the projection value. That is what? Angle. Now, to find the angle of projection, question is asking the angle. So, angle of projection, to find the angle of projection, differentiate the equation x square minus 9y with respect to x. Because angle is nothing but what? For in the differentiation you studied m equal to dy by dx. M is nothing but what? M equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta studied in the 10th standard itself. Because this is m is the angle. We find the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation m is nothing but using the tan theta. So if you differentiate the equation dy by differentiate the first degree of equation, we get the angle m. So differentiate the equation x square equal to minus 9y with respect to x. So x square differentiate, it will become what? 2x minus 9 into, if you differentiate y means with respect to x, therefore x square become 2x. So 2x into minus 9 into dy by dx. So 2x is equal to minus 9 into dy by dx. What is the a point? A point is what? Minus 6 comma minus. So we are finding the angle of projection from the point A, because we are going to find this angle. Here only the rocket launching. So here this angle is we are going to find at A. What is the projection from the starting point? The question is asking find the angle of projection. Angle is always find out from the starting point. Therefore we are going to find the angle A. What is angle? A angle. So what is the point A? A is given that what? Minus 6 comma minus 4. You substitute the equation. After differentiate, you substitute the x value and y value. We get the angle of projection. After substituting x and y value, we get the angle of projection. So 2x is equal to what? X square is differentiate. We get again one more time. Differentiate the equation x square equal to minus 9y with respect to x. X square is nothing but what? 2x. 2x equal to minus 9 into dy by dx. At the point A of minus 6 comma minus 4, we get 2 into, instead of x you substitute what? Minus 6. Instead of x substitute minus 6. 2 into minus 6 equal to minus 9 into dy by dx. dy by dx. 2 6 are what? 12. Minus 9. Minus 2 6 are minus 12. Minus into minus become plus on both sides. So 2 6 are 12. 12. This minus into minus. We want to write one more step. 2 6 are 12. Minus 12. Equal to minus 9 into dy by dx. So afterwards minus become what? Minus plus. So 12 by 9. Now 12 by 9 equal to dy by dx. What is our dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but what? You cancel. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So dy by dx is equal to 4 by 3. dy by dx is equal to 4 by 3. What is our dy by dx? That is slope. Slope m equal to, in differentiation you studied slope in 11th standard, slope m equal to dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 4 by 3. But already dy by dx is nothing but what? M. So m is what angle? M is tan theta, studied in the 10th standard. M equal to tan theta, angle of elevation. M equal to tan theta. Instead of dy by dx, you substitute what is the value? M. M equal to 4 by 3. M equal to 4 by 3. What is our m? M is nothing but what? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to 4 by 3. We are going to find the angle of projection. Tan theta equal to 4 by 3 is nothing but what? Theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Therefore, what is our angle of projection? Angle of projection is theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Just that question only find the angle of projection. Therefore, here need not to find the height or distance anything. Just to find the angle of projection from the starting. That is the point A. Because rocket crackers are lightning from the point A. Therefore, the angle of projection is what? Theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. See the diagram also. Diagram, if you understand the diagram, sum is very easy for you. The rocket is launching from the point. The rocket cracker. So rocket is launching and lighting the rocket from the starting point. It goes to 4 meter in the maximum height. Just then it reaches the ground. In the 6 meter distance, after 6 meter distance, it moves the 4 meter height. After 12 meter distance, it reaches the ground. After 12 meter distance, it reaches the ground. We find out 12 meter distance reach the ground. Now what we are going to find? We are going to find the angle of projection from the point. From the starting point. What is the angle? This is the rocket cracker. Now we are going to find the angle of projection. Therefore, this is keep it as what? We draw the x-axis, y-axis normally. Diagram is drawn neatly for you. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Vertex is what? 0, 0. From the vertex, from the ground to vertex level. This is nothing but what? Maximum height. Question is given, the maximum height is given 4 meter. This is what? After 6 meter, it reaches the maximum height. After 12 meter, it comes to the ground level. So after 6 meter, from the rocket is moving from 6 meter away from the point of projection 6 meter. What is the maximum height? 4 meter. After 12 meter, you move to the maximum, then reach the ground. After 12 meter, it reaches the ground. Therefore, what is our A point? A point is minus 6, minus 4. B point is 6, minus 4. Next, maximum height is 4 meter. Vertex 0, 0. See that one, the parabola is open downward. Equation of the parabola is what? X square minus 4ay. Substitute the point B, 6, minus 4 lies on the parabola. You substitute the value and get the A. You substitute the x and y value, you get the a value. After getting the a value, you substitute again the first equation, x square equal to minus 4ay. Substituting the a value equal to 9 by 4 in the equation 1, we get x square equal to minus 9y. The question is asking angle of projection. Therefore, we differentiate the equation. To find the angle of projection, differentiate the equation. X square is equal to minus 9y with respect to x. X square is nothing but what? 2x is equal to minus 9 into dy by dx. Now, what is the angle of projection we are going to find from the point A? A is what? Minus 6, minus 4. So, what is the value we are going to substitute in the above equation? 2 into instead of 6, instead of x, you substitute what? Minus 6. 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 9 into dy by dx. So, minus 2 6 are minus 12. Minus 9 into dy by dx. After both are having minus sign, it become plus 12 by 9 equal to dy by dx. If we cancel, we get what? 4 by 3. That is dy by dx is equal to 4 by 3. What is our slope m? Slope means what? That is projection. M equal to dy by slope. M equal to dy by dx. So instead of dy by dx, you substitute the m value. M equal to 4 by 3. What is our m? Angle of elevation. M equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan theta equal to 4 by 3. The theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Therefore, our angle of projection from the starting point is what? Theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. So, sum is very easy for the calculation, also easy part. If you understand the sum, draw the diagram properly, means you get the answer properly. Thank you, students.